Hey guys, what's up? It's SML Ethan, and I don't post that much, actually. So today I'm just gonna be doing my puppet collection. So yeah, actual plush collection. So yeah. So first, we got Black Cat named Licorice. Okay, she's named Licorice because I named her Black Licorice. Because she looks like a black licorice, you know. She's a black cat. So, yeah, I'm gonna use her soon. Next, we got Kenny. Yes, Kenny. Hey guys, it's Kenny. Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, I got these Jordans, you know? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's Kenny. Okay. Next, we got Katie, his ex. You know. Put my hand in her. That's what she said. I don't know who will be the voice of her. She's crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Next, we got Junior. And Junior. And Chef Pee-Pee's outside right now. I don't have him right now, but he'll be in the video. This official Junior puppet. Okay, his bib is up. Hey guys, it's Junior. What do you want to do? You want to play trains? You want to do something? You want to go outside? You want to play ball? You want to play catch? Yeah. Yes, I will be getting more puppets in the future. I will be getting Cody as well. So stay tuned. Next, we got one of my favorites is Joseph. Hey, dude. What's up, Joseph? What do you want to do today? I don't know, dude. Maybe we could go outside and eat ants. Please don't leave me. My mom already left me and I don't have too many friends. Yep, that's Joseph. I love him so much. Next, let's get this guy out of the way. I got a hair on my mouth. Oh my god. What the heck? Yes, he does have a chain on because he was used in a gangster thing. Gangster. It wasn't on YouTube. It wasn't on YouTube. It was on. I wasn't recording. I hate. Yeah, and also. Yeah, this was supposed to be a black Yoshi, but I don't have a black Yoshi. I just have this Yoshi. So we just put Jeffy's shoes on him. He looks pretty sick, though. So, yeah, we did a gangster thing with me and my friend. And I wasn't recording. I don't know. Then, this is my puppet, because I love cheese rolls, and I love green. Hold up. I have these shoes. I have these kind of shoes. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. I'll show you. I'll show you right now. Move this Mountain Dew in this container. Of course, or whatever. Yes. Yes, here they are. Look, they're literally similar to his shoes. These closet doors do not shut much. Yeah, that's a closet of like plushes. Yes, Mario was just in there, you saw. So yeah, this is my puppet. He's pretty sick. Awesome. This is Pete the firefighter. I just gave him that name. He will be in videos because he's the thumbnail. He's one of my favorite characters to use. Yeah! But Jeffy's mostly a favorite. And we're going to get right to him then. So. Hey guys, this is Pete. You want my phone number? You have a date. So hot. Oh yeah, I'm also Mr. Winkle's kid. Yeah. Oh, who is it? Who is it? Hey guys, it's Jeffy. And Jeffrey. Yes, a video will be coming tonight. I will upload it tonight. I'm gonna be Moose. Yeah, he's a pretty good puppet. Highly recommend him. smlmerch.com. Link in the description. Not really. I don't really do descriptions, but oh, another SML character. We got D-Money. Bro, D-Money is actually awesome. 500 million every night, 500 million every fight. Woo! Yeah, he got the SML belt. He got the drippy shoes, you know, socks and stuff. But he pretty awesome, you know. I'm probably going to be doing a plush kind of thing because, you know, it's really going to be hard with puppets. So, I'm not going to use too much puppets for my videos, except my friend's going to play some. So crazy! It's Patrick. It's Patrick. Hey, guys. When Patrick drinks a Red Bull. Oh my god, it's getting filled on this chair. I got 2 chairs. Good thing I have 2 chairs. Ooh. We got Bobby Crackhorn. Yes, he is a guy in my videos a lot. And I mean a lot. So, I'm very tired, guys. Like, I'm very tired, bro. Like, I just hit 100 subscribers like 2 days ago. I'm so happy. Yes, he was in the teacher video. I like it. I need my Flintstone vitamins. Yeah, he's the last puppet. Except, okay. Like, we got a lot of Mario characters in here. Like, we got a Daisy. We got another Daisy. We got Waluigi. We got... Oh, yeah, this is my original Mario. Look at how good he looks, this man. He literally looks like a good Mario. Like, we also got a Raccoon Mario. We also got Luigi. We also got... What the heck? Another Luigi. Yeah, I think that's mostly it. I know I got more, but they're all the way down there. But, yeah. And also, yeah. He was supposed to be in one of my videos. And I messed it up. I was supposed to do him in that, Jeffy video. Like, he was supposed to be in the Jeffy video. So, yeah, but I just changed him. Like, he's a new character now. He used to be just a regular Yoshi when I would not do YouTube. Like, I would just play with him a lot. And he would just be a regular Yoshi. But now he's... Oh, fuck, man, I can't believe Call of Duty. Call of Duty's... Bop, 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 bop. Mario, please! I need a new Call of Duty. And a map pack. Eat. Yes, I'm drinking an energy drink. Oh my god. So refreshing. Oh yeah, also I'm going to use this guy for a video. Huggy Wuggy, green Huggy, off-brand Huggy Wuggy. Yeah. A lot of stuff. Oh yeah, here's the Luigi I was talking about. This is the Luigi I was talking about that I was gonna do in a video about Luigi's like cousins or whatever, and that didn't come out. I was supposed to do that video and it actually didn't work. So yeah, But yeah. Anyways, that is going to wrap it up, probably. Is my phone dead? Did it just die? Did my phone just literally... Are you serious? Okay, whatever. That's my other phone, but whatever. We got Hello Neighbor, we got Bendy, yeah. But yeah, this wraps it up, guys. And I will see you guys in another video. Peace.